Imagine a cooking material so versatile it seasons your food, protects it, perfumes it, and even serves as natural, biodegradable packaging. It's like nature's very own superhero wrap, ready to transform your culinary adventures. In Indonesia, banana leaves are far more than just simple cooking tools. They represent a culinary technology perfected over countless generations. This isn't just about wrapping food, it's about an ancient art form that blends science with tradition. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of banana leaf cooking, exploring the science and rich traditions behind steaming, wrapping, and preserving food with these incredible leaves. Get ready to uncover some delicious secrets.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
From the savory Javanese pepes to the aromatic Balinese tum, banana leaf cooking has been a cornerstone of Indonesian kitchens for centuries. Before metal pots became commonplace, these leaves were the original multitaskers. They served as ingenious steam chambers, natural plates, and powerful flavor infusers. Their incredible flexibility, heat resistance, and mild, earthy aroma made them the perfect choice for cooking everything from fish and rice cakes to spices and desserts. Many regions still honor this tradition, using banana leaves in rituals, symbolizing purity and nourishment. It's more than just cooking, it's a cultural statement, a delicious nod to heritage. So, what's the secret behind their culinary magic? Banana leaves are packed with natural waxes and polyphenol, making them inherently water-resistant and incredibly heat-tolerant. It's like they were custom designed for the kitchen. When these leaves are heated, these compounds release subtle, grassy aromas that gently infuse into your food, adding a unique depth of flavor. Plus, that waxy layer acts as a natural nonstick coating. This means proteins like fish can cook evenly without tearing, ensuring a perfect, intact dish every time. No more sticky situations, just perfectly cooked meals. Steaming food in banana leaves creates tiny microenvironments that trap moisture, forming a self-contained pressure chamber. Think of it as a mini sauna for your food, locking in all the goodness. This ingenious method enhances flavor concentration and significantly reduces nutrient loss. And those polyphenol we mentioned? They act as powerful antioxidants, helping to preserve food and slow down spoilage naturally. Thermal studies reveal that banana leaves can withstand temperatures up to around 150 degrees Celsius before their structural integrity begins to break down. That's pretty impressive for a leaf. Their unique cellular structure also provides excellent insulation, making them an ideal choice for both grilling and steaming. It's nature's perfect cooking vessel, designed for optimal heat distribution. Did you know banana leaves were essentially the original Indonesian takeaway containers? Long before plastic or foil, these leaves were doing the job, and doing it beautifully. Even today, street food favorites like lontong and lemper are still lovingly wrapped in them. Some families even believe food simply tastes better when wrapped in fresh leaves, a testament to their enduring appeal. The art of wrapping varies by island, with Sumatran, Javanese, and Balinese folds each carrying distinct cultural meanings. It's not just a wrap, it's a story, a tradition, a piece of art. Let's take a closer look at the magic. Macro shots reveal wax crystals melting on the leaf surfaces, a subtle dance of science in action. Time-lapse footage shows steam building inside wrapped packages, creating that perfect cooking environment. And for a grand perspective, 4K drone clips sweep over lush banana plantations, showcasing the source of this incredible culinary tool. It's a breathtaking view of nature's bounty. We can also visualize the intricate process of heat transfer and moisture retention during steaming, demonstrating how these leaves create an optimal cooking environment. It's a masterclass in natural engineering. Banana leaf cooking truly proves that nature provides some of the most elegant and effective culinary tools. It's a testament to ancient wisdom meeting modern understanding. So, are you curious for more fascinating insights into the science behind everyday wonders? Don't forget to subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriosID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious, Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.